I found a very interesting website where you can make money by just simply watching videos. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and make sure you like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will reveal this website to you guys. You can make a lot of USDT by just simply watching videos. A lot of you guys are always on the internet watching videos from Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, but you don't get paid. This is the only website in the whole world that makes you earn by just watching videos on their website. Stay tuned. I will take you to each and every step on how you can sign up on this website and be part of this. Other than that, it's Jawa FX, your mentor. I am signing in. I'm within. Ladies and gentlemen, as I had promised you before, that I'm going to show you a website where you get to make money through just watching videos. A lot of you guys spend time on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, as well as WhatsApp statuses, just watching videos and not getting paid. This is the only platform in the whole world where you're gonna watch videos and get paid. So here I'm gonna go with you step by step. I'll start by showing you guys how to sign up on the website. Simple. The only thing that you have to do is just click the link in my description right now in order for you to sign up into this website. Just click that exactly link in my description, because if you click the other ones, you might probably not land on this page exactly. So click the one in my description right now. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up, and I'm also going to show you how to do a live withdrawal after you have watched your videos. This is very much simple and straightforward. So one thing that is very much exciting is that these videos do not take the whole day for you to watch. It's only 15 seconds. You only watch these videos within 15 seconds. As you guys can see, most of the videos here are 15 seconds, and then you earn through the points, and those points are going to be converted into USDT. So basically that's how it is. So the other thing that I want to show you guys before we go forward with the videos, that you must watch till the end in order for you to get to see how I got to withdraw from this website and how I got to make money from this website. So the first thing that you need to do once you enter this website, you need to go to me, which is there at the corner, and ensure that you are signed up. You need to go to me there at the corner and ensure that you are signed up. If you've seen that you have signed up, you are fine, you are good to go. However, if you recognize that you are not, or if you realize that you are not signed up, that's when you have to then sign up and get your account. As you can see, I'm signed in. I have my account, it's active. Then you go back to home. When you go back to home, that's where things start to be very much interesting. You go to home. As you can see, when you go to home, there's a lot of videos that are available for you to start watching. However, you can see also when you go down on the website, there's so many guys that are saying how much money they are getting, or the website is telling you automatically how much money people are earning. You see, people are getting 250 coins from watching videos. There's a live session where people are saying how much they are earning. So the name of the website is called the MetaMax. It's called the MetaMax. The only thing that you have to do, you have to click the link in my description in order for you to land exactly on this page. As you can see, after you've watched your videos, there is a withdrawal part where you get to withdraw your money that you've already made and you've already earned from the website. Make sure that you have your Binance account active, because they only take TRC20 USDT. So you're gonna enter your Binance withdrawal address here, and then your contract info, as well as the amount of money that you've made, and you put your password, the one that you've had previously. So basically the withdrawal is very much simple. So one thing that I want to start with right now with you guys, I want to start with showing you guys how easy it is to start watching the videos. You see, there it is. It says rating immediately. So basically, after you have watched your videos, you must make sure you rate the video immediately after watching the videos. In that way, you're gonna be able to earn from that video. So let's go. Let's not waste any time. Let's go start right now. So I'm gonna start with the first video. As you can see, the first video, there it is. You must make sure you watch the whole entire video, and so that you can be able to rate the video as honest as you can possibly be. So there is the video. I'm watching the first video. That's the end of the video, and then I click the score to income. So when I click the score to income, guys, this is when then I'm getting to be shown how much money I am going to be earning from watching those videos on that special package. So if I watch that video of 15 seconds, I'm gonna earn 0.50 USDT. However, that is from the first package. If I unlock the first package, I only need to unlock it with just 12 USDT. So if as you can see, there is also per video you earn. Also in the second star package, you earn 1.10 USDT. The third star package, you earn 3.0 USDT from watching a single video. On the fourth package, you earn 10 USDT. And the fifth package, you earn 25 USDT. On the sixth package, you earn 50 USDT. On the seventh package, you earn like 100 USDT. On the eighth package, you earn about 220 USDT, as well as the ninth one, which is the one that gives you about 500 USDT. So basically, these are the different packages that you get to have in order for you to earn. So I'm thinking, how do I get to unlock now? How do I get to unlock the USDT, the 12 USDT? So I'm thinking, which package will I want to get from all of these in order for me to start earning from watching these videos? Because you must unlock at least these packages. So I'm thinking of getting the first package, which is the one of 12 USDT. In what I like and enjoy, it's on special right now for 12 USDT, and I'm gonna be watching so many videos throughout the day. In that way, that I would make even more than that 12 USDT that I've unlocked this package with. So let me click unlock right now. When I click unlock, it says insufficient balance, please recharge. Then I'm gonna click on recharge, as you can see, and then I'm gonna select TRC USDT, and then I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this address and simply go to my Binance account. Withdrawal, deposit. Or should I say withdrawal? And then send it to a crypto wallet. Send it to a crypto wallet. And then I post the address. Then I select that type, and then how much do I need to send? I need to send 12 USDT. I need to send 12 USDT, and then I confirm here the 12 USDT. There it is. It's confirmed. It's confirmed. Okay, from my, I need to then come here and confirm this. Confirm this. Okay. After I am done with this, I need to go back to the website. I don't have to delete that website, and I say complete recharge. recharge complete, and it says success. As you can see, you must not move away from the page that you've had previously. You must make sure you are on that page so that when you say complete recharge, it says success. So guys, as you can see, after I've recharged my account, now my account is recharged. I have 14 USDT. I actually made a mistake. I sent exactly 12 USDT, of which now I forgot that the wallet that I'm using has charges of 1 USDT. So I couldn't be able to purchase because I only had 11 USDT on my platform. So now I've recharged with extra 4 USDT. That's why now I have 14 USDT. Now I'm ready to now unlock the 365 days special package of the 1-star package. So let me unlock it. I'm confirming that now I've unlocked. So I've unlocked it. It says score to get income. So now I'm going to score. Now I'm officially gonna be watching videos now. So let's watch this video roughly about here. So let's watch this video. Let's watch this video. Make sure, man, you listen to everything when you're watching a video, and you look into everything when you're watching a video. It doesn't take the whole day, it's just 15 seconds. You must watch the video till the end. Now that the video is finished, now you can start to score the video, give the video the stars. It was a very beautiful video. I'm gonna give it a 5-star rating. It was a very nice video. I'm gonna give it a 5-star rating. So I'm gonna go back after giving it a 5-star rating and just watch another video. I can watch as many videos as I can. I'm watching this one as well. Now the video is a minute longer. This one is a minute longer.
We are born to explore. In the hands of explorers, Nikor has witnessed the most extraordinary voyages. Since 1963, venturing beneath the waves. In 1968, braving the icy heart of Antarctica. In 1971, reaching as far as the moon. Nikor has been there to capture it all. Whether in the vastness of space or here on Earth. This is the quality of trust that we pursue. Because we are born to explore. Nikor, 90 years.
Me, as I'm going home, as you can see, after watching those videos, I've simply gotten back my money. There is total USDT after watching these videos. As you can see, the first video got me 0.5 USDT. The second video got me 0.5 USDT. Altogether, it now makes 1 USDT. So the money that I've made is here currently. So go back home. I wanna be watching more videos, man. I'm interested in watching more videos. I'm interested in watching more videos. Here are more videos. You can see each video here is giving me about 5 points. It's giving me about 5 points, which is 0.5 USDT. So I'll do that the whole day up until I make even more money from this website. You'd remember that I promised you guys that now I'm gonna show you how to also withdraw your your money that you've made. So I'm gonna put in here the address of my Binance account, and then my name and surname, or my name, and then the amount I'm willing to withdraw is all, which is the one that I've made, all, and then put the password, put the password, and then I click on confirm. Then the withdrawal is successful. The withdrawal is successful. I'm gonna go to my USDT and check if it was indeed withdrawn. So now I wanna go to Binance and see if the funds that I won from the website did come in or not. So there is my wallet. Indeed, here is it. The deposit was made. I did receive the funds, 1 USDT. I received it. So you must do this every time when you have time during your day. This is available. The packages are available for 355 days. That means you can make this over and over again for 365 days in a year. So that means by December you'll be flying, I don't know where, but you'll be making a lot of money. So this is just a lifetime investment. You go to the website, you do this as many times as you want, and then you then get your ratings and you make money just like that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and to drop a comment on the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the entire video where I was breaking down for you on how you can make money by just simply watching videos online on this website that I was sharing with you guys. I hope you did. If you did, man, don't forget to sign up with the link on my description and get yourself an account and start making money through just watching videos. This is a life-changing opportunity. You have to just step onto it. Not everyone is able to make money online, but this is an easiest way on how you can make money online. Don't forget, man, to like and subscribe on my channel. I appreciate you for being here and staying until this far on the video. Goodbye. Have a good one. Goodbye.